foods that are damaging your brain. Hi, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will discuss the top foods that are damaging your brain. Your brain is the most important organ in your body. It keeps your heart beating, your lungs breathing, and all the systems in your body functioning. That's why it's essential to keep your brain in optimum condition with a healthy diet. As our understanding of the human brain continues to grow, we are learning more about the effects that different foods can have on cognitive function. While many foods can provide important nutrients and support brain health, some foods have negative effects on the brain, impacting your memory and mood and increasing your risk of dementia. As we get older, different parts of the brain start to shrink, which can cause issues like memory loss, slower learning, and nerve damage. There are also many foods that are toxic to the brain, which can speed up the aging process, trigger a higher risk of Alzheimer's disease and dementia, cause sleeping problems like sleep apnea, strokes, hypoxia, and many other issues. Today, we'll be talking about the top 9 brain-damaging foods so that you can avoid them to protect your brain. I'll also share some simple lifestyle tips that you can use to help boost your brain function. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Sugar. Foods that are high in carbohydrates are converted into sugar in the body. This has the same negative effect as eating pure sugar. For example, a slice of bread is comparable to eating 3 cubes of sugar. Foods like rice, honey, sweetened drinks, pastries, bread, cereal bars, and biscuits are all high on the glycemic index. These cause a spike in blood sugar, which triggers anxiety, depression, mood disorders, and insulin resistance and destroys parts of the nervous system. To keep your brain fueled and energized, avoid these foods and eat healthy fats like avocados, grass-fed butter, and almonds. These will satisfy you and help you get rid of sugar cravings. Number 2. Soda drinks. If you want to truly protect your brain as you age, you will want to cut out the soda in your drinks as much as possible, including both diet and regular varieties. Soda drinks contain phosphoric acid, which prevents the growth of mold or bacteria in them. The problem with this is that too many blocks your body from absorbing calcium and magnesium. A deficiency in these minerals prevents the mitochondria from generating energy in the brain cells. The neurons start to become deprived of energy, which causes a loss of density in the synapses. People who drink lots of soda will notice that they have poor sleeping patterns, memory loss, poor learning, and brain fog. Regular soda drinks are loaded with fructose, H-AFSCase, as a sweetener which inflicts liver damage and insulin resistance that causes the brain to starve for fuel. Diet soda drinks are sweetened with artificial sweeteners like aspartame, which crosses the blood-brain barrier and blocks neurotransmitters. These have been linked to higher rates of depression, mood disorders, and an increased risk of stroke and dementia. Number 3. Iron-fortified foods. In the USA, many foods containing wheat and flour have been fortified with elemental iron. This type of iron is toxic for the body and causes a rusting effect in the brain, oxidative damage. This raises the risk of dementia, Alzheimer's disease, and poor brain development in children. It's advisable to avoid grains as much as possible and instead eat iron-rich meats, wild fish, whole fruits, and vegetables to meet your nutritional need. Heme iron, found in animal products, is naturally bound to protein, making it stable and healthy for your body, as opposed to the elemental iron used in fortified foods and cheap over-the-counter supplements. Number 4, green potatoes. Green potatoes contain high amounts of solanine, a natural pesticide that the plant makes to protect itself from insects. However, in humans, solanine has a neurotoxic effect. Eating this causes nausea, headaches, and serious neurological problems. Eating only one whole green potato is enough to make an adult very sick. Larger amounts can cause hallucinations, paralysis, fever, and even death. Cooking green potatoes does not remove the harmful substance, so throw them away. I understand there is a lot of information in this video, so feel free to pause, rewind, and take notes if you need to. Number 5, fish high in mercury. Larger fish that are higher on the food chain tend to accumulate high amounts of mercury, biomagnification. Mercury poisons the cerebellum and the cerebral cortex, kills brain cells, neurons, and causes long-term nerve damage. The fish containing the most mercury are bluefish, catfish, grouper, mackerel, orange roughy, shark, swordfish, and big-eye tuna. Eat these rarely, less than once per month, to avoid toxicity. To help detox the extra mercury in your body, consume cilantro, chlorella, and walnuts on a regular basis. Healthier fish that contain much less mercury include wild-caught cod, anchovies, salmon, sardines, oysters, and herring. Number 6, cherry pits. Cherries are loaded with antioxidants that are healthy for your body, but make sure that you remove the hard stone inside them before eating them. The pit inside the cherry contains prussic acid, also known as cyanide. This is poisonous to your brain and can cause headaches because it prevents the cells in your body from using oxygen. Too much cyanide can cause death. Eating 1 or 2 seeds accidentally won't harm you, but try not to chew them and remember to remove them before eating. Number 7, glycated proteins. Whenever you mix a fat or protein with sugar and consume it, it causes sticky proteins to build up in your body called advanced glycation end products. An example of this would be eating a burger covered in ketchup, or donuts, which are made of butter, flour, and sugar, pizza with sweetened sauces, cheese, and meats on top, and ice cream, which is loaded with milk, sugar, fat, and protein. When you mix sugar with these foods, especially under heat, these sticky proteins begin to form, which can stick to your nerves, damaging your brain and blocking the normal signals from flowing through them. They also cause you to lose collagen and your body ages at a faster rate. Eating antioxidant-rich foods like blueberries, leafy green vegetables, and salads can help reduce inflammation in the brain tissue and clean out these harmful proteins. Number 8, alcohol. Drinking alcoholic drinks daily actively damages dendrites, neuron endings, in your brain and nervous system. This makes it difficult for brain cells to send messages to one another, causing brain fog and memory loss. Alcohol also causes a vitamin B1 thiamine deficiency over time, which can cause anxiety, nerve pain, neuropathy, restless legs, vision loss, and sleep apnea. Cut out the alcohol and save it for special occasions. You also start eating nutritional yeast to help heal your brain from alcohol damage. Number 9, Nutmeg. Nutmeg is a spice that's made from the seeds of the nutmeg tree and is a key ingredient used in eggnog, lasagna, mulled wine, and many other baked goods. Although it's delicious, it's important that you don't take too much of this into your body as it contains a toxin called myristicin. Eating as little as 2 teaspoons of nutmeg can cause toxic effects such as fever, increased heart rate and blood pressure, hallucinations, drowsiness, and loss of consciousness. As you can see, eating the wrong foods too often can have a damaging effect on your brain. Although you may not notice these effects straight away, people start to experience symptoms as they get older, such as dementia, strokes, etc. You can start by cutting back on some of these foods and replacing them with healthy, whole food alternatives. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share this knowledge with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such health insights. Leave a comment below if you have a favorite that we missed. Thank you.